It may not be the first thing that comes to mind, but fall is actually a great time to plant perennials. Now, when we speak of perennials, we're talking about herbaceous plants, ones that don't really form a woody structure that lasts from year to year, just like a woody shrub would. Perennials can be a little tricky to understand because some of them bloom in the spring, others in the summer, and even others in the fall. This varied growth habit makes them a little bit harder to figure out. The reason fall is a good time to plant is there's an old saying that follows with perennials. The first year they sleep, the second year they creep, and then the third year they leap, meaning they put on a really big show. And that's talking about the long time it takes for them to develop their roots. Most of the perennials we enjoy in our gardens are actually native to America, such as this plant, which is called obedient plant. You'll notice it has a similar appearance to snapdragons, except for this blooms in the summer. You can actually plant it in wet areas that get full sun or part shade. Another perennial that's probably more familiar to gardeners would be Rudbeckia, commonly called black-eyed Susan. These flowers are yellow, daisy-like, and very bright. They come in medium to small size, and they also love the heat of our long summers. For the best performance, I would stick to the smooth-leaved Rudbeckia, such as Rudbeckia fulgida or Rudbeckia hirta. And finally, there are the asters, something that we're used to seeing in ditches or fields, but the new asters that are being bred for our gardens are small, compact, and bushy, and are covered with daisy-like flowers. One of my favorites is called Ray Don's Favorite. So those are just a few examples of the large number of perennials that are available out there. So if you see some, grab them and plant them now. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU AgCenter.